Hi, Emmanuel here, and you probably found this video because you're looking into The Plan by Dan Hollings. You're looking for the plan review, or maybe you just heard about it, you're doing your due diligence, you've heard about it on Facebook or something, and somebody's told you come and have a look. So you're just seeing if it's any good, if you can use it to make some money, if it does what it says on the tin. Right, so I'm going to go into all of that in a second. But if you're new to the channel, firstly, I just want to say hi. I want to say welcome. If you are enjoying the content, then please just consider subscribing. The subscribe button will be below. Also, remember to just tick on the bell icon so that anytime I do release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And I'm doing that on a regular basis. Anything I think is going to help you to make more money online, then I'm releasing a video. So make sure you don't miss out on that. Just hit that subscribe button below. Also, in a moment, I'm going to give you access to the team that I personally trade with. These are 4, 5, 6 figure earners, traders, and then we're going to show you the two very simple patterns that we look for on the chart and what we use to make so much, to do so well on our chart, so successful, and a big massive group of people, you'll see the results that they're getting. So if you're interested in that, just hold on a second, I'll give you access to that in a second, and completely for free. Anyway, so this is it. This is The Plan by Dan Hollings. So I personally had never heard of Dan Hollings. You know what I mean? I found this, somebody was talking about it on Facebook, so I came to have a look. And supposedly he's really well known. He's very well respected. He was actually helping people with Amazon and putting together, selling on Amazon. He made his millions in selling on Amazon and teaching people how to do that. And then supposedly he kind of went under the radar. He disappeared. And in that time, I think he was using his money to kind of learn crypto. I said he lost over $5 million, but in that time, he was learning how to trade crypto. And now he's like, you know, almost a crypto genius from what they're saying. And so he put together this course that he's calling The Plan and shows you how he does so well and how you can do so well using his bot. Yeah, so using his bot and how you can set it up. His training shows you how to set up this bot and how to make money in the crypto space, in the crypto market. Yeah. So this is the site. This is his site here. It's got some articles on here. You know, it's an okay looking site. It's a bit pedestrian, but it's an okay looking site. Should I invest in crypto? All this sort of stuff. Now, why I liked this, you know, I liked it for a couple of reasons. One, some of the people that were telling me about it and telling me that it was good were people that I trusted and that they had used it and they said it was okay, it was good. Yeah, so that's a good recommendation for me. If these people there's only a few people I really trust in this sort of crypto space because there's so many bots out there. Most of them are rubbish. Most of them, you know, they either they're auto trading bots or there's some sort of learning passage to them and you just don't make anything. You end up a lot of the time losing money. So when these people, the guy told me about this and he's someone I trusted and he said he's tested it and he's making some money with it. So I trust him and I came to come and have a look. So it looked good enough. It looks quite nice, like I said. And with Dan Hollings, he has a good reputation as well. So what it is in a nutshell, he's going to teach you that when people buy crypto, let's just say Bitcoin, for example, when people buy a crypto coin, what they tend to do is they're what they call the holders. They buy and they just hold it. Like with crypto, all the people that were holding crypto until it tanked, they just thought crypto is just going to keep going to the moon. You buy it, you hold it, and it'll make you hold it 10, 25 odd years and it makes you money. Now what Dan Hollings is talking about now is about trading it. So trading it, whether it goes up or whether it goes down, you can make money on it. Yeah. So that's what he's sort of teaching in his course. And then he's teaching you how to use his bot. So how you can set up this bot and put the settings in and everything. And you can use that to actually trade the crypto markets for you. So there's two main ways that I heard him sort of talking about, or in my research. There was one, you set it up, you set up this bot. And for the people that are like the holders that will just normally buy crypto and hold it, say Bitcoin, for example. So what you're saying is the money that you're actually just holding, you could use some of that money to buy other coins and diversify and not lose the value of your crypto coin. Yeah, so that's kind of the hodl method. And then there was another one he was talking about. It was called the standard coin bots, where you're kind of exchanging and trading two coins off each other, and any little disparity, it's like the forex, really. You trade one pair against the other. If it goes up a little bit, you bank the difference, sort of thing. You know, that's kind of the rough understanding I got from it. But what people are saying is that from the course roughly lasts about 15 hours, and it's video training, and it goes through everything from a complete beginner level, as in what is crypto, right the way through to kind of how to set up these bots, how to, you know, put them on your charts to make money, etc., how to start an exchange and all this sort of stuff. He goes through all of that in his course, and it's a video course. And from that, what they're saying, his style of teaching is very nice. It's very clean, the platform that he's teaching on. So I've heard some good things about that as well. How you get involved is you come to this site here, and it says here, join the plan, and you watch a webinar. And you watch I don't know how long the webinar, because I haven't watched it. The next one's in 4 days. And it just tells you what this webinar is about and what you're going to be getting. Live market demos to see how Dan's system is performing right this moment. Why we fear no crash and don't need the market to boom or bust. What every YouTube and Telegram crypto celebrity misses. How you can still make money on crypto even if the value of the coins go down. So like what we were saying, he's talking about trading it. Why right now is it possible to slash in half the initial investment? Now, from what I heard, because I'm not actually in this, but so what I heard, the kind of profits people are talking about is like 1%, maybe 2% a day. Now, if that's consistent, then that's not bad. I mean, 1% a day, if it's consistent and a bot's doing it, there is setup involved. So you're going to have to learn. So the plan is really a course that teaches you how to set up these bots. Yeah, and how to do them. You have to do like set the parameters that you want them to work with. So you need to learn this course. And then from what it says, you have to do this you have to do it like 1 hour a day, roughly. That's what you have to put into it. Do you know, to kind of get this bot to work. And they say the less you fiddle with it, the better. So there is a learning curve to this. Yeah, they said they've got good support, but there's a learning curve to this. This isn't auto trading. You have to learn how to do this thing here and how to set it up so that it helps you to make this money. And 1% is not bad. Okay, 1% a day, 5% a week roughly, do you know what I mean, is not bad. But with the people that I'm trading with, some of them are making 10% a day. And that's because we've learned to trade the crypto market. Yeah, I'm going to show you a trade in a second that we actually took on Bitcoin. Yeah, because it's set up with these two simple patterns that I was talking about. And I'll show you that in a second. So, but let me just completely finish with this then. So, in general, from what I'm hearing, it's not bad. Do you know what I mean? It's one of these things. It doesn't take a lot of work. They say setting up the bots is not hard. But you still need to maintain it 1 hour a day. And they say don't fiddle with the settings and stuff like that. So that probably isn't that difficult. One of the things that's very difficult to find out is how much it actually costs, because there has a non-disclosure contract that you have to sign when you get involved in this. But from what people are saying, it's pretty expensive. I would hazard a guess it's probably in the thousands. Yeah, and then you're going to need money to actually invest in the crypto coins. So I think you're going to need a few thousand to get going with this. So this isn't like a beginner trader that's got no money, that's got a couple of hundred to put into their trading account. You're going to need a few thousands to kind of make this work and actually have that thousands on the side, and then this little bot thing will be making a little bit extra for you. Notoriously, I'll be honest, I really do not like bots. Yeah, but from what my friend said, this one's making him some profit, but I personally don't like bots. I believe if you're going to spend an hour a day to do the settings of this bot, you should probably learn how to trade for yourself. And then you can use that knowledge to actually trade the crypto market, trade the crypto coins, stake them. All these sort of things that you can learn aren't that difficult once you know how to do it. And then you can actually be making profit from it. But overall, from what I've heard, if this is your sort of thing, getting this sort of bots, putting this sort of plan together that you can use these bots to make a little bit extra, then why not? Do you know what I mean? I can't tell you the price. I would assume it is in the thousands. You'd have to watch this webinar to find out for yourself. The next one from the minute I'm filming this video is in 4 days time. And, you know, if I had to, like I said, if I had to guess, it probably will be in the thousands. Do you know what I mean? But I have heard some good things. I have heard some good things about it. So that's entirely up to you. That part is entirely up to you. You know, if you have no real knowledge about crypto and you've got a few thousand aside and you don't understand anything, then why not come and do this bot and do these and see how it does for you. If it's making you 1% a day consistently, then why not? But hey, I'm just hearing all the success stories. I haven't heard some of the disaster stories of people trying to put this bot together and they just don't know what they're doing. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, yeah. So like I said, it's overall I've had good things to say about it. But I just want to show you, like I said, one of the trades that we personally took. It was on Bitcoin. So remember I told you we only have 2 simple trading patterns that we look for, and these patterns set up consistently on the charts. So when you know what you're looking for, when you've learned how to trade, you can apply this to the Bitcoin and to the crypto market, you know, and as well as all the other training that we actually do. We've got a free training package that shows you how to trade the crypto market, how to swipe the coins, how to trade them on the up and the down, a bit like what the plan is doing here. But anyway, it was in November. I don't know if you remember Tesla decided they weren't going to accept Bitcoin as a payment plan, and also the Chinese decided they're not going to take Bitcoin anymore. Yeah, that was back in November. Yeah, our patterns were setting up here, and it was about here. The leader was saying, get ready to sell crypto because it's going to start diving. Yeah, and this was before this happened. The news announcement came out somewhere there. It flagged up so beautifully into this area that we were talking about. This candle triggered and then just dropped. Yeah, most of us got this 1 to 5, 10% increase on your account in a couple of days. Yeah, that, you know, you can see the difference. Some of the people on our group trade Bitcoin. They trade it up and down and they make 5 to 10% a day. Yeah, I'm not saying there's no promise of income here. I'm not promising you any income here, but I'm just saying to you, you can do that. You can trade it, learn the skills, trade it for yourself, and then everything's in your hand. I know with the plan, you know, you do have all your wallet and everything is in your control, but I don't know, when you have this skill, you don't need to worry about this bot not working or doing the settings wrong. It's your own skill that you've learned, you know. So, and then, I mean, if you had held this, I just want to show you this. This was just amazing. If you'd held this crypto after the news, look what happened. It just completely collapsed. It fell out of the sky here. It's still going. I mean, and this is where we got up here. Imagine if you buy and hold here. Look at this. I've only just pulled it. Goes even further down, but that pull down there, that's a 1 to 15. That's 30% increase on your account, probably in like 3 weeks. Yeah, when you know how to trade it, when you know how to trade this. Anyway, so listen, I've got nothing bad to say about the plan. If you want to give it a go, why not go and watch the webinar and see how much it is going to cost to get involved and to set up this kind of bot that will trade for you in the background if you've got the money. Yeah, you do need a few thousand to actually make this work. But like I was saying, I hope that helped you. I hope that review helped you to at least understand a little bit what this is about, you know. If you do want to come and trade with us, yeah, for next week, like I said, I'm going to give you access to our training where we show you those 2 simple patterns that show up on the charts very, very regularly, and we use them to trade. If you want to come and train with us next week, you'll get this training. We have regular daily webinars. You can see they're 1.5 hours long. The leaders get on. They show you our patterns. They show you where we're looking for in the charts. You know, Michael was the one that told us about getting ready for that Bitcoin drop. You get access to all of this for next week completely for free. Monday all the way through to Friday, completely for free. If that's something you're interested in, then all you need to do, you need to scroll down below this video. There'll be a link there. Click on that link, and then it will, once you've opted in, you'll get all the details on how to join us for next week. Yeah, it starts Monday. The training starts Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. GMT UK time, and it goes all the way through the week. You can ask as many questions as you want, and you know there'll be replays just in case you miss it. So anyway, listen, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from this as well. If you do have any comments, anything you want to talk about, anything you want to tell me even about this plan, then please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. All right, and once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, you take care. Have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.